In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to manage Trello board users and permissions step by step. If you're working with a team and need to control who can edit, who can view, and who should be removed from a board, this is the complete guide you've been looking for. Managing permissions properly keeps your projects organized, secure, and running smoothly. So if that sounds helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Trello tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, open Trello and navigate to the board where you want to manage users. This can be any board where you have admin access. Once you're inside the board, look toward the top right area of the screen and click on the Share button. This is where all board members and access settings are controlled. After clicking Share, a panel will open showing everyone who currently has access to this board. You'll see each member listed along with their current role. Next to each member's name, there's a drop-down menu. This drop-down is where you can edit that person's permissions. Go ahead and click on the drop-down next to a member's name. You'll now see different permission options available. Typically, these include admin, member, and observer, depending on your board setup. If you want to give someone full control over the board, you can change their role to admin. Admins can manage board settings, invite or remove members, and control permissions for others. This role should only be given to trusted team members who need full control. If someone only needs to collaborate on tasks, create cards, and move items around, keeping them as a member is usually the best option. Members can edit and interact with the board but don't have full administrative control. Now, if you want to remove someone's editing abilities but still allow them to view the board, select the Observer role. Observers can see what's happening on the board, but they can't make changes. This is perfect for stakeholders, clients, or managers who only need visibility without editing access. If you need to completely remove someone from the board, click the drop-down again and select Remove from Board. Once you click that option, Trello will ask you to confirm the action. This is to prevent accidental removals. Click Remove to confirm, and that person will immediately lose access to the board. They will no longer be able to view or interact with it unless they are invited again. It's a good habit to regularly review your board members and their roles, especially if you're managing larger teams. Keeping permissions clean ensures that only the right people have the right level of access, which helps maintain security and organization. And that's it. That's exactly how to manage Trello board users and permissions, including changing roles, setting someone as an observer, promoting them to admin, or removing them entirely from the board. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Trello and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.